Life can feel like a clenched fist, gripping tightly to relationships, dreams, regrets or fears, only to find they slip through your fingers or weigh you down. The harder you hold, the more you suffer, trapped in a cycle of longing, frustration or pain. The Buddha, a master of liberation, taught that letting go isn't about losing what matters. It's about freeing your heart from the chains of attachment, opening you to peace and possibility. His wisdom offers a path to release what binds you, not through force, but through clarity, compassion, and presence. Let's dive into the Buddhist art of letting go, transforming how you navigate life's inevitable changes with grace and strength. At the heart of letting go is the Buddha's insight into attachment, or tanha, the root of suffering. You cling to outcomes. I need this job, this person, this version of me, thinking they'll secure your happiness. But life changes, and clinging breeds pain. Picture this, your partner leaves and you're stuck replaying, if only I'd done more. Or you lose a promotion and your mind spirals, I'm a failure. Letting go doesn't mean not caring. It means acting with love or effort while releasing the need to control what's beyond you. The Buddha let go of his royal life, not to reject it, but to find truth unburdened by expectation. You can let go of your burdens too, starting with understanding why you hold on. The first technique is mindfulness, the Buddha's tool to see your attachments clearly. Clinging thrives in an unaware mind. Your thoughts loop unnoticed, tightening the grip. Mindfulness brings you to the present where you can observe without being swept away. Say you're obsessing over a friend's coldness. Why are they ignoring me? Pause. Feel your breath, the tension in your chest, the chair beneath you. Label the thought, worrying. This creates space, showing you're not the thought. You're the one watching. The Buddha used mindfulness to face Mara's illusions, staying steady. You can face your attachments the same way, loosening their hold with each mindful moment. To practice, start with 5 minutes daily. Sit, focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale, feeling the air's rhythm. When thoughts of what you're holding, I need their approval, I can't lose this, arise, note them as thinking and return to the breath. In daily life, pause when attachment grips. Feel your surroundings. Name the feeling, fear, longing. If you're clinging to a grudge after an argument, stop, breathe and notice anger. Track it. Journal one mindful moment daily, like catching a thought and letting it pass. Mindfulness builds a mind that sees attachment, not one enslaved by it, setting the stage for release. The second technique is embracing impermanence, the Buddha's truth that everything changes, relationships, successes, even your pain. Clinging assumes permanence. This job is my identity. This loss will always hurt. But nothing lasts, and this is freedom, not loss. You're devastated by a breakup, thinking, I'll never recover. Impermanence says, this pain is a wave, not the ocean. The Buddha saw change as liberation, staying calm amid life's flux. You can too. What you're holding is already shifting, so why grip so tightly? To cultivate this, reflect daily. What stressed you a month ago? Most faded. Pair it with a mantra, this will pass. When you're attached, say to a failing project, write one way it could change, a new approach, a lesson. Act on it. If you resist, but this matters, breathe and repeat the mantra. In daily life, notice impermanence. A mood lifts, a plan shifts. The third technique is compassion, the Buddha's antidote to the self-absorption that fuels clinging. Attachment often ties to ego, I need this to be me. Compassion opens your heart, inward and outward, loosening that grip. You're beating yourself up for losing a friend. I'm such a failure. Pause. Place a hand on your heart and say, this hurts and I'm doing my best. This self-compassion, rooted in the Buddha's care for all beings, eases the need to hold on for validation. You're enough, even without what you're clinging to. Extend compassion to others. You're angry, holding a grudge against a co-worker who betrayed you. See their humanity. They acted from fear or pain. Wish them ease even silently, may you be free. This isn't excusing harm, it's freeing your heart from resentment's weight. Practice metta, spend 5 minutes daily wishing well. Yourself, a loved one, a neutral person, someone difficult, may you be happy. In daily life, do one kind act hourly, listen, smile, help. If attachment resists, I can't let this go, note it and act kindly anyway. The fourth technique is wisdom, seeing through the illusion of a fixed self, anatta. You cling because you think I need this. I'm nothing without this job, this love. The Buddha taught, there's no solid you, just a flow of thoughts, choices, moments. That failure after a setback, it's not you, it's an event. Wisdom asks, who's holding on? You'll find no permanent loser, just a thought. This perspective, grown through reflection, dissolves attachment's core, freeing your mind to release what doesn't serve. To build wisdom, spend 5 minutes nightly asking, what's true now? The fifth technique is right action, the Buddha's call to act with purpose, not reaction. Clinging paralyzes you, I can't move on, or pushes impulsive choices like begging for a lost love's return. Right action breaks this. You're holding on to a failed goal, like a business idea that tanked. Research a new path, take one step. The Buddha emphasized effort, not obsession. Action grounds you in now, loosening attachment's grip. To practice, pick one small action daily against clinging. If you're stuck on a regret, like I shouldn't have quit, write a lesson and apply it. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice the urge to grip, then act. If you resist, thinking this won't help, note it and move. In daily life, set a do-it-now rule act on one task within 5 minutes, like emailing a contact or decluttering. The sixth technique is gratitude, a Buddhist practice to shift from lack to abundance. Clinging thrives on I don't have enough, love, success, security. Gratitude reframes this. You have breath, moments, chances. You're holding on to a past friendship, thinking, I'll never be happy. Pause. Name 3 things you're grateful for: a warm bed, a kind stranger, your resilience. This grounds you, easing the need to cling. The Buddha saw gratitude as joy's source, sustaining his path.